Alright guys, I just wanted to make a video of this Royal Pacific. Oh wow. I don't like recording LEDs, at least specific kinds. Look at that annoying glare. Let me just switch it off. Alright, this is a video of my Royal Pacific ceiling fan with a 3-fitter light kit. Now these 3-fitter light kits have always been my favorite. I found them very interesting, so, wait a second. Oh, that's creepy. It moved. Yeah, one of the reasons I like these light kits is because of how old-fashioned they are. I remember years ago when these kind of light kits used to scare me. I always thought they looked kind of off. And even today when I see them, it reminds me of house fires because I've seen pictures of burnt ceiling fans and they've always had this type of style. These flower shades and a 3-fitter light kit. I've always seen burnt fans with this kind of light, so that made me dislike them a bit more. But still, they're cool and old. Oh, just twisted up the shade a little bit. Oh yeah, they're cool and old. That's really the only reason why I put this up here. It looks better than the 4-fitter. But the issue is how creepy it looks. If I probably turn off the lights, it'll probably look very creepy. If I can turn off the lights. You know what? No. That's how I turn off my lights. And it's stuck behind this bed too, so it's really... yeah. So some of you might be wondering, well, if this light kit creeps you out, why do you have it? Because, again, it looks cool and old, and I'd rather have a cool and old light kit. And it won't do anything. Well, it won't cause the house to catch on fire. Unless something was wrong with it, which, no, nothing's wrong with it, because I took everything out of this light to put onto this one. So, yeah. It looks a little better. And you might be wondering, well, if you put on a new light kit, where's the light chain? It doesn't have one. None of the light kits I have a light chain. Yeah. When it's on, though, it looks cool when it's on. It has a nice look to it. The 4-fitter felt kind of meh, avoidable. No, yeah. And by the way, if you want to know why I made 2 videos of pedestal and wall fans, it's because I'm going to start a fan repairing business. And those were 2 of my first fans I repaired, and I got a lot of money for repairing them too, so that's pretty good. So that, you might never see that fan again. I already gave it back to the owner. That fan actually broke twice. So I had to solder the wires back together. I wouldn't do that again. Anyway, yeah. Listen to that hum. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This was Safety Cat 5.